If you're in an Airbnb or you've just bought this Bosch washing machine here and you want to use it with liquid detergent, we have a little measuring aid on the inside that we can move down. So right now this is set to using dry powder. If I pull this out here and I press down on this little blue bit of plastic, the whole tray will come out. This is where we're going to be putting our liquid detergent. And if you have a look, we've got this bit here. Well, what we can do is we can move this bit forward and drop it down into place like so. And it's marked up 50ml, 100ml, 150, 200ml. So it would be in this position to use it for powder, and liquid detergent is going to be in the down position there. And then we can just push this back in, push this in here, and now that has locked back into place. And you can fill up your detergent in here, your liquid detergent, with a nice handy measuring aid. Thanks for watching.